So here's how to set up a VPN on a MacBook Pro. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out PureVPN for free. First of all, let's head over to purevpn.com. Once you're in the home page of the website, go to the top panel and click on Login on the right. Once you're logged in, go to the left panel and click on Downloads. Here, click on Download under PureVPN for Mac. As you can see, the PureVPN application is being downloaded for your Mac. You have now successfully downloaded PureVPN to your device. Once it has been downloaded, click on the downloaded file to open the installer. Over here, click on Continue. After that, click on Install to install the software to your device. Here, click on OK to allow access to your files. Once the installation is complete, click on Close as shown. Now, open the PureVPN application. Then, click on Login. Fill in your details and click on Submit to log in to your account. You can now use the PureVPN application from your device. Just choose your preferred region and click on Connect. And that's it. You can easily set up a VPN on a MacBook Pro.